Huh? Probably that's yeah. Follow us, please. Put on this little fireman hat, that's this cowboy hat. Come, get ready, they're starting. Just wait, they're gonna get there. Yeah. Skinny there. Get ready, what? You make sure you keep an eye on his feet. Don't spin around too much yet, we didn't start. You'll find a way anyway, to look on YouTube, I guess, if that's the way she sends it. Yeah, and you'll be able to see. So you guys are in the hotel? You guys are in the hotel? Oh yeah. Come over here, get ready. They're getting ready. It's your hold down.
Hey, don't hold the couch when you do that. Hey, hold on. Hold down. Hold down.
Watch your feet, watch your feet. Ha ha ha.